put a plow on this beast because it snowed outside. I just hauled these boxes home. I hope everything we need is in there. All right. Now that we have our parts in sight, let's get started. We're going to install that back glass right there, but as you can see, the little straps from our little side doors are in the way. The lock and ride window make this snap. The plow comes in 3 different parts. Obviously you got the plow blade, you have the push frame, and then you have the plow mount that actually goes to the wheeler itself. So we'll start, I guess, by opening up these boxes and seeing what we got. First step here will be to assemble this push frame onto the bar. Now we'll take the tilt adjusting lever and install that. Pretty simple process. 3 pins and you're done. Now we'll have to set all the cotter pins. You can't set that last cotter pin obviously because it came in pieces. Must have sheared off in shipping. Now that we have the frame assembled, we need to attach it to the plow. To do that, we'll take these 2 bushings, 2 bolts, 2 lock nuts, and these 2 eye bolts, and we'll get this put together. To install this, you'll need a 19mm wrench and a socket. You don't want it so tight that it won't pivot. Snug it up and then back it off just a hair. Now we just need to repeat that on the other side. Well, there you have it. That plow frame is ready to put on. Well, now it's time to open up the box for the mount. What do we do with these in the man cave? Yeah. We don't need those. So in order to install millimeter nut. And I got a 5/8 bolt. Makes the head. Down there is where we need to get into to install that plate. There we go. It's in there and more or less lined up. We'll just have to mess with it a little bit once we go to install the mount. Now we got all our bolts and they got that threaded plate installed. We're gonna go ahead and try to install our mount. Try to get our 3 bolts lined up underneath. I'm going to use a screwdriver, poke through there, and hopefully that'll help align the plate above. I think we'll start tightening things up. Now we just need to install the winch hook. Installation of a Polaris Plow. Too bad there's no snow out there left. Most of it is melted. Driveway's clear, so unfortunately I don't get to use it today, but it's ready for next time it snows, which isn't going to be far away. Well, I know this has been a terrible video. It'll only get better from here on out. With a little bit of patience, a little bit of practice, and a little persistence, we can get just about anything done.